Welcome back everyone. Today we're diving into something truly exciting and futuristic, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper. This isn't just another RV or motorhome. This is Toyota's bold vision of what modern road travel can look like when comfort, technology, and smart design come together in one massive, two-level camper. At first glance, the size alone makes a statement. This camper is tall, wide, and built to feel more like a small mobile apartment than a traditional recreational vehicle. The double-decker design instantly sets it apart from anything else on the road. Instead of trying to squeeze everything into one level, Toyota has split the living space into two floors, giving passengers more room, better organization, and a more comfortable travel experience overall. The exterior design blends strength and style. You get a clean, modern body shape with smooth aerodynamic lines, large panoramic windows on both levels, and sharp LED lighting that gives it a futuristic look, especially at night. The body is reinforced for long-distance travel and rougher road conditions, while still keeping that signature Toyota reliability and build quality. Roof-mounted solar panels help generate power, and built-in storage compartments make it easy to carry gear for long trips or outdoor adventures. Under the hood, Toyota offers powerful and efficient engine options, including hybrid variants. These engines are designed to handle the camper's size and weight without feeling slow or sluggish. You get smooth acceleration, stable highway cruising, and enough torque to handle mountain roads or fully loaded travel conditions. Some versions even come with all-wheel drive, making it easier to explore remote areas, snowy routes, or uneven terrain. Despite its size, the driving experience is surprisingly controlled and confident thanks to Toyota's advanced suspension and stability systems. Now let's step inside, because this is where the double-decker camper really shines. The lower level is the main living and activity area. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a spacious lounge with comfortable seating, smart lighting, and a modern interior design that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction stove, microwave, refrigerator, sink, and plenty of cabinets for storage. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or cooking a full meal, everything you need is right there. Next to the kitchen is the dining area, which can also convert into extra sleeping space if needed. This makes the camper ideal for families or groups of friends traveling together. There's also a well-designed bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, giving you full independence while on the road. The upper deck is dedicated to relaxation and privacy. This is where the main sleeping area is located, featuring a large comfortable bed, soft lighting, and panoramic windows that offer amazing views wherever you park. Waking up to mountains, forests, or oceans becomes part of the experience. Some versions also include a small lounge or workspace on the upper level, perfect for people who work remotely or just want a quiet place to relax. One of the most impressive features is the smart technology integrated throughout the camper. Touchscreen controls allow you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and energy usage. You get Wi-Fi connectivity, USB ports, smart TVs, and sound systems to keep everyone entertained. Safety is another strong point. The 2026 Toyota double-decker camper comes with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and 360-degree cameras. These systems make driving and parking such a large vehicle much easier and safer, especially in tight spaces or busy areas. Of course, there are a few challenges. Because of its height and size, parking in small city areas can be difficult, and fuel consumption is higher than smaller campers. In some regions, special driving licenses may be required. But for people who love long road trips, outdoor adventures, or luxury travel, these trade-offs are worth it. This camper is clearly aimed at travelers who want more than just basic transportation. It's for families, content creators, digital nomads, and adventure lovers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. It's also perfect for people who enjoy slow travel, exploring different places while having a reliable, stylish home on wheels. In the end, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper represents a new direction for recreational vehicles. It's bold, spacious, smart, and built for modern lifestyles. Instead of feeling cramped, you feel relaxed. Instead of rough travel, you experience smooth comfort. And instead of simple camping, you get a premium road living experience. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without leaving the comfort of home behind, this double-decker camper might just be the future you've been waiting for.